Kasol is a Himalayan hotspot for trekkers and backpackers and act as a base for lots of amazing treks like Sar Pass, Pin Parvati Pass, Malana Trek and more. The Sar Pass trek offers an absolute escapade and is recommended for beginners and moderate level trekkers. The trek route originates from Kasol and ends at Barshaini, comprising 4 campsites in between. Grahan village is the first campsite. The trail from Kasol to Grahan village goes through lovely pine forests coupled with rocky terrain. After Grahan nalah, the trail becomes quite uphill and goes deep into the forest, away from the right bank of the river. Buras, also known as Rhododendrons, grows in the forest here. Grahan is a beautiful village located at the height of 7,700 feet and has around 50 houses with population of 50 to 400 villagers. Consumption of alcohol is strictly prohibited in the village. Mobile connectivity is intermittent in the village and it is better to make your phone calls before beginning the trek. Trekkers usually return with legendary stories about the beauty of the village, its awesome culture, and new friendships formed with the fellow trekkers.